Hey, that's a flat tire. You could fix that. Ah! Conscience, don't scare me like that. Well, if you stopped and helped him, I wouldn't have to. I'm on my way to Mike's. I don't have time. You're going to watch a football game. You could spare 10 minutes. Wouldn't you appreciate it if someone helped you when you needed it? Yeah, but I'm gonna bug you all day if you don't go back and help. You know you'll feel better if you do. All right, let's go. Hey, do you need a hand?
I mean, if you don't mind, I don't really know what I'm doing. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Yeah.